Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve question number 3 from the exercise 2.4 CBSE Standard 7 syllabus. So the question is, we have to solve this, that 7 divided by 3 divided by 2. So 7 by 3 in division with 2. So this is fraction in division with whole number. So first how we are going to solve this, we will write 7 divided by 3. Then this division sign we will convert it into multiplication. Then this is a whole number, we have to take reciprocal of the whole number. So 2 in the denominator, 1 is there, so we will take reciprocal and we will write 1 by 2. So whole number 2's reciprocal is 1 by 2. Now we will solve as per the multiplication. So 7 into 1, 3 into 2. So let us check whether we can reduce anything here or not. So we cannot reduce anything. So here we will get 7 divided by 6. Now 7 is bigger than the 6. So that is improper fraction. Let us divide this and write as mixed fraction. So 6 ones are 6. We will get here 1. So the answer we will get is 1 by 6 is going to be our answer. The next is the second one. So in this 4 by 9 in division with 5. So again we will write this as multiplication, and 5's reciprocal is 1 by 5. 5 is a whole number. So its reciprocal is 1 by 5. So here we will write 4 into 1 divided by 9 into 5. We cannot reduce anything here. So this is going to be 4 divided by 45, and this is a proper fraction. We do not need to convert it into mixed fraction. Now the next is third numerical, and that is 6 divided by 13, and that is in division with 7. So let us write here multiplication, and 7 is a whole number, so the 7's reciprocal is 1 by 7. So here we will get 6 into 1 in division with 13 into 7. So here we will, can we reduce anything here? No, we cannot reduce anything here. So we will write here 6 divided by 7 3s are 21. So 1 will be here and 2 will come here. So 7 into 1, 7 plus 2. So it is 9. So 13 7s are 91. The sixth question is 4 1 by 3 divided by 3. So first this mixed fraction we will convert it into improper fraction. So 4 into 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 divided by 3 in multiplication with. So division sign we are converting into multiplication sign, and 3. 3 is a whole number. So whole number's reciprocal is 1 by 3. So here we will write 13 into 1 in division with 3 into 3. So we cannot reduce anything here. So we will get 13 divided by 9. Now this is improper fraction. So we have to write this as 13 divided by 9. So 9 2s are 18. It is more. So we will write 9 1s are 9. When we will subtract this, we will get 4. So answer here is 9 will remain in denominator, 1 will come at the front and 4 will be at the top. So 4 by 9 will be the answer. Then the next numerical is 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. So let us first convert this. Then 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 by 2 in multiplication with whole number is there. So whole number's reciprocal is 1 by 4. So here we will get 7 into 1 divided by 2 into 4. So answer is 7 divided by 8. And this is proper fraction. We do not need to convert it into mixed fraction. The sixth one is 4 3 by 7. So let us first convert this. So 7 into 4 is 28. 28 plus 3. So it is 29. 30, 31. So 31 divided by 7. Now this division sign is there. So let us convert this into multiplication sign. 7 is there. So whole number and its reciprocal is 1 by 7. So let us write this as multiplication, that 31 into 1 divided by 7 into 7. So we will get 31 divided by 49. And again this is also a proper fraction, that numerator is smaller than denominator. So we do not need to convert this into mixed fraction.